we're playing Grow Garden. Uy, may new ano, cosmetic. Sold out. We have BJ Guy here. Yes. Yo, bro. There's only 48 minutes until the update. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Thank you, Jambo. Thank you very, very much. Let's go. We made it. Yes. Very, very big. My wife gave her speech. Sabi ng wife niya daw wag daw siya i-wake up. Daw but already on 15 million so we could break. 15 mil! Wait.
Please, burning bud. What should I wake my wife up if we beat our world?
Yes, bro. They're at 15.2 million.
Yes. No way. Okay. So, Nico is here. My brother is here.
So guys, I just shit.
Sorry, guys. Amanda.
Look, eat it. And guys, very cute. So guys, Amanda. Okay, I'm good. She can't escape Grow Garden. I should wake her up and be wearing my avatar. Bro is gonna wake her wife and he's... Tingnan mo na yun. Sorry guys, we might get copyrighted because of this. Guys, so pet mutation.
Hey, yes.
Level 50 pet.
Level 50.
Wow! Okay, I'm gonna feed my... What feed? So guys, I'm gonna feed my baby. I'll feed my mole. Boy, can you give me a firework? So, just need to think of it. Wait, 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 magkano na? Guys, I'll be back if you send me. So guys, we are back. We have an OB right here. I don't know what is this, but there's a OB right here. There's a...
The one who's what? Complete OB for a prize.
Okay, let's see what price we will get. Completed OB. Woo! OB is kind of hard.
Oh, it's kind of look like Glass green.
Okay. Yo, I finished it. Oh, I don't know. Huh? Oh, look. Tignan mo, punta ka dun sa cosmetics mo. So, we got the jump pad, guys. Let's see, let's see. Bro, pwede to makatulong sa pag-build ng Obigoy eh. Yung jump pad. You know, uy.
Oh, ano?
You know, uy.
So, tatanggalin ko dun kayo ko dyan.
Tanggalin mo pati yung mga ano na pati yung ano, yung padaan. Let's go, guys. We got an OB. Okay, the OB. Now we got... Second. I think next week namin kay Sorte man. Tayo nga. 30 minutes. Hey, we got it. We got it. Yo, hindi na nakatok. Babang yan. Yo, bro, broke the record. That's all I want. I'm gonna make ding 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 ding
I'm back.
ding.
Cheese.
Raining tacos. I'm gonna skip this part because I might get stopped. So guys, we are back because I cannot play that song. I might get copyrighted though. That's all I gonna say. Okay.
I finally got this. Last 30 days.
This is your fourth Ember Lily, guys. I need to. Yo, this is kind of good stuff. Nah. We're good, bro. I don't need it. That's kinda awkward again. Okay. Guys, so what is this? Zombie or the Obi. Bro, look at my friend's Bone Blossom, bro. He has like 13.
So what?
No way, bro. No way, bro. We got a 13 billion.
Oh yeah. You got infected, cell package, burn, Minecraft, socket,
9 billion lang yan eh.
infected, sunshine, powered, cell package.
No way.
I burned it. I actually burned it. Bone blood. I actually burned it with bone blood.
What?
I actually burned it.
Burn, huh? This is burn, bro. Look at this. That was.
There's anything accidentally in Fortnite. I'm giving it back.
Okay.
So let's see this. Oh.
Uwi sila. Grabe, guys. Guys, we have another Bro, alam ko na yung sa glass bridge. First, bone. Audit from that. Let's go. I got 2 jump pads. Okay.
Just like the
Bro, you're both noobs. I literally do it at the first.
I want to jump pad. I don't want to jump pad.
Why?
But
Lemmi stima and balili. Once you hit the pad. Yes, bro. Yung jump pad. Mas malaki pa rin yung ano ni Russell, guys. Yung ano niya, coconut niya. Coconut! Coconut dragon fruit. Coconut nut is a giant nut. The owner's favorite is the carrot.
Carrot is our
Pa? Blowy movies, ano? Okay, we got a event.
Ay,
Hey, yung sa mga nag-whipan mo.
na-send ko na po sa lahat.
I got infected. Ma-infect Kong Kong. Wow, 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 wow. Wait, 22 minutes na lang. Update na. Kanina po, di ba po? Pepper was restock. Pepper. Wait lang. What the hell? Bro, I'm playing Grow a Garden. What the hell has happened? I've been trying to see where I can eat after. Let's see why. Why are you not eating after? Ito Bray, kain na daw po.
Okay.
Gotta go buy some multiplying glass. Now because the food so late, I'm starving. Uy! 51 seconds! Bro, jungle the best, right? Encourage everyone to eat 13 eat your veggies. Yes, I eat vegetables. Bro, is this a good size? Good size Ember Lily? Look. Is this good size Ember Lily?
Bro, what the? Wait, don't delete it, okay? Don't delete it first. Live. I'm just knowing.
Broccoli plant. I can't believe we haven't done it.
Bro!
Bro, broccoli? Why you add broccoli? This is not a...
Okay.
Broccoli on...
Check the remaining space.
That is just starting to grow, bro.
Yeah.
You know about it, bro. Tara rito. I'm gonna restart in 4 minutes. Burning but it's 4 minutes. Let's go. Paldo, girl. Paldo, paldo. Jandel, sana mapanood mo to. Ganito ka-hype ang mga Pilipino. Kanina nung nag-unstock yung sugar apple,
Grabe.
grabe bro, nagsigawan kami kanina.
Kaya
Okay, ano ba yung magiging? Dance, let's dance, let's dance. Dance, let's go, dance.
go. We're not free.
Remember when my mom was at the update? Yes, bro, I remember that. We remember that, bro. That's the funniest. So remember it. Remember. 17 minutes remaining until the update. Go, bet man sa akin it's big. Hindi. Open. Amir.
Oh, yes. Oh, we got it.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the seed shop because it might a sandstorm.
After that,
No, yes, bro. You can't run an event. It's a sandstorm. I wanted to do Obi now. This sandstorm is running. Yes, bro. Yes, no. Cancel it, bro. Am I right, guys? Am I right? Cancel it. Okay, I don't. This is still not the Ember Lily that I want. Oh my god, bro. I'm scared. It's not that good. Oh my god, let's just see what I get. Oh my god. Hi, Kong. You're so very thing. Bro, look at this. Bro, look at this face, bro.
oh,
See? Bro, mango, see. Oh, what the hell, motherfucker. Bro, sa lahat-lahat na nag-construct, tignan mo yung ano na ako, na nag Wow. So we might break the record, which means OP stock is coming. OP stock, might bro, tapos in-stock niya, no, 10 beanstalk, 10 sugar apple, tapos 10 burning bud.
Naubos na natin yung pera.
Bro.
Dapat. Latag na daw.
Latag mo na. So you've been recording for 25 minutes? I'm gonna wake my wife, bro. Bro, ilis dyan. Tanggal mo yung charger, goy. Charger, tanggal mo. I'm gonna wake my wife up.
Yeah. Girl, yung sabi ko kay John Doe.
I'm sorry, John Doe. Like, you need to say John Doe. It sounded like John Doe. Okay, guys, I'll be back. I'm just gonna. Okay, guys, we're back. So we're back, and my friend is questioning, how did I get it? I trade. Yes, I trade.
Money.
Yes, money. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back again as soon as the update come. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. It's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh, 2 billion na way.
Okay, so
No way.
blueberry, no way.
Blueberry.
Too many blueberry. Bro, some too many blueberries. I'm gonna give you back
How
shots.
many?
I give some back shots.
Orange stock get red. No. Yes. Wait. Burning bad was your stock. Ito na, burning bad. Oh, wait. You wait for me. Burning but no way. Ini yung noob lang kuya.
Good. Level up, lollipop.
Yeah. minute, right? Kaya,
Yes, yes. Very, very big.
so I got too many like this. Too many display.
Tereci. Domini. Tesla. Domini.
Amber Lilies, Two Grapes, One Sugar Apple, Correct. Apple Seed, Mushroom Seed po. Ano ba sinabi niya?
Ko.
Wait, wait. Obi. Obi siya. Obi. Bawa Obi. Siya. Three. I guess siya. 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 Mag-count daw tayo. 1 minute. What? Ito na. Ito na mag-count. Tignan natin kung anong ginagawa ng best friend ni Glenn.
Gawin nyo. Gawin nyo. Gawin nyo.
Oh. 21 points.
No problem. We're gonna love you.
We will never have them.
Oh, we will never have love you.
We will never no way. No. Next upgrade. This, oh, you can put no. Yes. Yes.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos.
No way. Kasi pinapit ka pa. Look at this.
Yan. Ilang po sila naglalaro. Sila naglalaro.
Shell.
Flow free na siya namin.
Cheese. Shell. Meat. Lettuce. Cheese. Shell. Meat. Cheese. 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 Cheese.
It's raining tacos.
Guys,
Raining
we're about to
tacos.
get the reto.
Pumunta tayo dito guys.
Nando tayo dito. Ano yun? I forgot
So
that.
guys, this is the end of the video. See you guys tomorrow.